हेलो वंस अगेन आगे वापस तो I'll be solving one more question that will be a similar question like the last one. We have been given an array and it is sorted in non-decreasing order, a fancy way to say ascending order, and we have to remove all the duplicates. So let's take an example. Nothing can be done without an example. We have 2 4 8 6 oh sorry 16 16 16 and 24. So let this be nums. So array rule 1, traverse it. First of all, we'll traverse it, very obvious, and we'll store the last encountered integer inside a temporary variable. So let's say temp was -1 when the loop was not started. So we'll encounter 2 and put 2 here, and we'll give it a condition that if the temporary variable, the variable we encountered last time, is equals to the new variable, say if it was 2 and 2, so we'll just ignore the next 2 and we'll move on. So that's how we'll remove all the duplicates in our array. So we have a temp here, it's initialized -1. We'll start with 2, 2 is not -1, temp is now 2, and we'll go to 4 and store 2 in nums again. So we are storing our 2 inside the nums itself, and will not be using a new array. Hope it's clear. It's like the last question we solved. If you want to look at that question too, go to that question. Just be aware of lame jokes, they might give you a headache. So then we'll go at 4, and 4 is of course not 2, so we'll store 4 here in our nums, and our temp will change to 4. Again we'll go to 8, 8 is not 4, it will be changed to 8 and it will be stored in our array. Then comes 16, no, 16 is not equals to 8, 16 will go here and 16 will get stored to our array. Then again 16 comes, of course 16 is equals to temp, so no change anywhere. Again 16, no change anywhere, just ignore everything. 24, so of course 16 is not equals to 24, we'll store it here, and then we'll have the index 4 and we'll return 4. Let's look at the code pretty fast. We have taken a previous integer to store the previous value, and we have initialized it with -1. We have also took a integer I that will act as an index for our nums. We have used a for each loop, and x contains the value of nums, and if previous is not equals to not equals to x, we'll just store it in our nums, and our previous will change for every element that we traverse. At last we are returning I, and I is of course our index here, which I have not used but should be pretty self-explanatory. Wow, I fumbled. Okay, so this is our solution. This was a pretty slow video, and of course I'm experimenting. Whatever you like, tell me in the comments down below. Bye.